Hello and welcome to the Weekend News. I'm Perry Bola and this is my co-host, Stefan.
Well, hello, Perry. What are we talking about today?
Well, we're going to bring up the major issue of the new affordable health care, or nicknamed the Obama Fail Care.
Oh, is that a new craze to save money?
No, actually, it's quite the opposite. It's the new craze to lose even more money.
That's no bueno.
There you are right, Stefan. What's even worse about it is that there's nothing really different about it. Here we show a graph that represents what is to be the predicted participation or sign-up for the health care.
Oh my god, it's a parabola.
No, Stefan, that's a parabola.
Oh my god, it's a parabola.
That it is, Stefan. Now back to the point.
Did you know this when you grabbed a scissor sheet?
No, but we seriously need to get in.
Or, then when you're trying to identify parabola, it's equation b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0.
Not that I was aware of.
There's so much more to go on about this. Do this parabola.
Let's not, though.
But we must. For instance, if one of the variables is squared, then poof, you have a parabola.
Okay, this is cool, but we really...
That's sense. The parabola can open up in the x or y direction. There's two formulas. Look at this.
Let me guess. If it opens in the y direction, y equals x squared. And if it opens in the x direction, x equals y squared.
Mwah! Magnificent.
Thanks, Stefan. Okay, we were getting so sidetracked. How much time do we have?
1 minute.
Now we can't even get to what we're supposed to, Stefan.
All they need to know about this Obama or fail care, whatever you want to call it, is that they missed their point. They're putting more people than they want to under the category of not having health care. It's all that it is. It's boring.
I'm surprised you even knew that much, Stefan.
Thank you, Perry. But you know what's even more interesting? Parabolas!
Alright, and that's all the time we have today. Now to Steve, the wild Conic section hunter.
G'day mate, today we're hunting to find a wild hyperbola. The key feature of a hyperbola is its asymptotes. A hyperbola has two asymptotes that make equal angles with the coordinate axis and pass through the origin. There are two branches of the hyperbola starting from opposite ends of the asymptotes. In a hyperbola, the foci are located at a distance of C is greater than A, where C is the distance from the center to the focus, and A is the distance from the center to the edge of the vertex. Also in a hyperbola, the eccentricity is greater than 1. So far we've been unsuccessful, but oh look, one over there! It appears to be a female, because she is facing in the X direction. Let's see if we can get a little closer. What a good find. I really enjoy finding those female hyperbolas. Oh look, a male! You can tell it's a male because he's facing in the Y direction. Well, I do say that this was such a successful hunt, and back to you in the studio, Perry Bola.
Thanks, Steve, for your wild hunt. Now for a short message from our former president, George W. Bush.
Hello there, America. I'm here to talk to you about a very pressing concern of mine. Very concerning with the fate of America. It's about ellipses. So I first suspected that these eel things, were part of the axis of evil when I found out that they are like circles, except these have two different radii, which proves that they must be hiding something. No one would have two radii and be a true American. I decided to get to the scoop on these ellipses. I found that these things, while circles, a law-abiding American circle, has an eccentricity of 0. These things have an eccentricity between 0 and 1. Now, I looked up in my old-fashioned dictionary, lying around when I was doing some repairing onto the homestead. Turns out that eccentric means strange. So, something tells me if these are strange, they must be evil. So it turns out that these ellipses, they don't even follow our Pythagorean theorem. They follow a different one, which is a squared equals b squared plus c squared. Now, how can we trust them if they don't even follow the basic laws of math? So I'm George Bush, and I'm telling you, watch out for them ellipses.